Yes, good morning student. Today I start exercise 3G. Okay, welcome in online session. I am Hitesh. Okay, so find out LCM of following numbers by listing their multiples. So today I start the LCM topic. Very important topic because it is used in next classes. Okay, so first question is to find out the LCM of 4 and 5. Okay, so firstly multiples of 4. Then multiples of 5. Okay, you know that multiples means table. So table of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, write like that. Okay, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Write like that. Okay, so LCM is lowest common multiple. Okay, so lowest, which is common and which is lowest? So that is 20. So LCM is 20. Okay. So look at the third part. In third part also same 12 and 30. 12 and 30. So firstly you find out the multiples of 12. Okay. So 12. Okay. Then 24, 36, 48, 60. Okay, then 72. Okay, then it is 84, 96. Right, like that. Okay, so then multiples of 30. So 30 table. So 30, 60, 90, 120. Okay, then it is 150, 180. Okay, right, like that. Now you find out the which is common and lowest. Okay, so look carefully that 60. Okay, the 60 is common in both and it is lowest common multiple. So it is LCM. So 60 is the LCM. So now in 7th part you find out the LCM of 4, 8 and 12. So you have to find out the multiples of 4, 8 and 12. Same procedure, you find out then common multiples. Okay, so 4, 8, 12, 16, okay, 20, 24, 28. Okay, right, like that. 8 table. Okay, 8, 16, 24, then 32, then it is 40. Okay, same like that. Similarly 12, 24, 36. Okay, then 48, 60, 72, 84. Okay, LCM, you know that which is common in 3. Okay, so common is 24. 24 is common and it is lowest. Okay, so LCM is 24. Yes, second question, find the LCM of following numbers by prime factorization. So you know prime factorization, so we find out factor. Okay, so which are prime. Okay, so you divide by 2. Okay, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Okay, similarly 30, 2 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15. Okay, then you have to find out 42. So 2 1s are 3 7s are. Okay, so these are prime factors. Okay, you have to find out LCM. Okay, so 16 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Similarly of 30 equal to 2 3 5. Okay, 42 is 2 3 and 7. So what is the method? Firstly you have to find out the common. Okay, so 2 is multiple, 2 is common. Okay, after that nothing is common. Okay, so you write common one time. Okay, after that you write all these factors. have to write 2, it is one time. Also write 3 one time. अदर जो भी रह गया उसको लिख लो, ठीक है. 5 and 7. Okay, if you multiply it then it is 1680, that is LCM. Okay, so now you have to find out LCM of 16, 28, 40 and 77. Okay, all other part are same. Okay, so firstly you have to find out the prime factorization of 16, 28, 40 and 77. Okay, 16, 2 8s are, okay, 2 4s are, 2 2s are 4. Okay, then 28, 2 14s are, 28, 2 7s are. Okay, then 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are, 2 5s are 7 11s are, okay, 77. So you look carefully, these all numbers are prime. Okay, so it is called prime factorization. Okay, so you have to write the prime factorization in one sentence. Okay, then of 40, then 77, 7 into 11. Okay, then you have to find out the common one. Common one is 2, these 2 also. Okay, then this 7 is also common, this 2 is also common. Okay, so you have to write common numbers one time. Okay, so write LCM 2, okay, and 1. This 2 is common, we write one time. Okay, then I have to write 7, then this 2. Okay, other numbers which are left you write also on right side. Okay, 2 5 11, 2 5 and 11. You have to multiply it. Okay, so it is 6160, that is LCM. Okay, look at third sum. Find the LCM of following number by division method. Okay, this method is very important and easy method also. Okay, so you have to find out all number, you have to write in prime factorization method. Okay, but you have to write all numbers in one line. Okay, so firstly you find out the factors which is very less. Okay, so it can be divisible by 2. Okay, so 2 6 12, 2 12, 2 18, 36, 45 cannot divide, so it write like that only. Okay, 2 27s are 54. Okay, then you have to divide again with 2. Okay, 9, write like that. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 2 9s are 12, 45 and 27, write like that. Okay, then again it can divide with, okay, now only one number divide with 2. Okay, so you have to take 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 15s are 3 9s are 27. Okay, then again you have to divide with 3. Okay, 3 1s are 2, write like that. 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 3s are 9. Again, so these numbers are left. These all numbers are different. Okay, so take like that only. Okay, so find out LCM. Okay, so multiply it 2 times, then 3, then 2 5 and 3. Okay, you don't write 1 because when you multiply it is same like that only. Okay, 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36, 36 10, 2 5 the 10. Okay, 36 10 the 360. Okay, then 363 the 3 6 the 18, 3 3 the 9, and it is 1080. Okay, so that is LCM. Now I am solving the last part. I am solving very difficult parts. Or other parts you have to solve yourself. Okay, so look at the last part. We have to find out the LCM of 96, 64, 108 and 72. So you have to find out the smallest divisor. Okay, so that is 2. Okay, so 2 48 is 96. If you don't know how to divide, so do a rough job. Okay, so 2 4 is 8. Okay, then 2 8 is 16. Okay, but don't create a mistake. Okay, so here is 32, here is 54, 2 36 is 72. Okay, then again divide with 2. So 2 24 is 2 16 is 2 27 is 54, 2 18 is 36. Okay, again divide with 2. So 12 8 26 27 cannot divide, so it write like that. 2 9 is 18. Okay, 2 again divide by 2. 6 4 27 and 9 cannot divide. Okay, then again divide by 2. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 27 and 9 write like that. Okay, then divide by 3. 3 1 is 3. Okay, 2 write like that only. 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. Okay, then again divide by 3. 1 2 write like that only. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Now these are different numbers. Okay, then find out the LCM. So LCM of this number is 2. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, and again 3 1 2 3 times. Okay, and 1 2 is also left, so you have to write 3 and 2. So now count again. So 6 2, okay, and 3 times. Okay, then you have to multiply. It is 1728. Okay, so this is the LCM. Thank you very much. Solve it yourself or other sums. Thank you very much.